Welcome back, YouTubers. Today I'm going to show you how to speed your computer up and get rid of some files out of temporary folders that is really hidden from you, and usually they get larger and larger and larger. And before you know it, your computer gets slower and slower and slower, so you got to empty it out every once in a while. First thing you need to do is go on here, go to, it's called All Programs, and it's in your right hand corner down by the time. You click on open it up. It says all settings. Once it opens up, you go to privacy, and we're going to turn everything off in here. Up in the general, turn it off. Up in the speech, there's nothing to turn off in here, but diagnostic, put it on basic because you cannot choose anything else, and the rest of stuff you turn off. Go ahead and delete this. Never. Oh wow. When the chat for my feedback. Yeah, turn it off. Activity history, uncheck all this, clear this. Location, don't mess with that. It says change your location. I don't even think I even set it up, so turn it off. Turn that off. Clear this. Turn all this off. All it does is spy on you. Camera. Turn all this stuff off. Microphone. Turn all this off. Notification. You guessed it. Turn it off. Account information. Turn it off. All this. Contacts. Turn this off. Calendar. Turn it off. Turn it off. All history, which I don't know why you got a all history on your computer, but turn it off. Turn this off. Email, task, turn it off. You can buy special programs for all this. Most of the stuff, anything you got in here on this computer, if you store it, Microsoft got access to it. I have seen my computer run to the internet 1,000 times. That's what it does. It just stores it and just sends it up to the cloud. Radio, which I don't know, they got a radio in here, but turn it off. And your messenger, turn it off too. Other devices, off. Background apps, turn the thing off in here, but I'm gonna keep my store on and my Adobe Reader, but you can turn this off. It's running in the background using the CPU and memory. App diagnostics, turn it off. All that file downloads, do not allow. I'm not downloading anything. Documents, turn it off. Pictures, turn it off. All you're doing in these, they uploading all your pictures to the cloud without your permission. If you turn it on, it will go to the cloud. Video, turn off. I don't know why they're still putting this box into your operating system. I guess they're trying to push it. Right here, chain, turn all this off. Choose what apps can access your file system. Yeah, all they want to do is just go through your file system, really. And that's up under privacy. Then up under apps, You used to go through here and find things you need to just uninstall, like video games, that's prepackaged, like Spades and Candy Crusher. It comes installed. There's some things on here you can't, like a lot of things on here you can't, like this. Can't be uninstalled. Can't uninstall this either. You can uninstall this. I don't know what it's for. I'm gonna keep it on. I don't know what it's for. It might break my be able to not be able to install apps no more. But after that, once you get finished with all this, going through this list, which I already been through it, and I installed everything that I don't want on here, you can go ahead and get out of here. Then go to the C drive, go to this computer, the C drive, go to users, go to your name of your computer. I don't know your name of yours, but mine's Antonio. Go to, it'd be called app data. If you don't see it, you gotta go to view, go to options, change photos options, go right here, show hidden files, hit apply, hit OK. And there you go. You go right here, you go to local, and you go to temp. And once you get in temp, you delete everything in here. But right now I can't delete it because I'm recording this video. And once you finish deleting everything in here, you can hit select all, that's Control A, and then hit delete. And usually this file can get really big. Like I said, it can get up to gigabytes. I think 10, 15. It can get really large because everything in here doesn't get deleted. It just sit there. Anytime you install a program, it sit there. Anytime you download updates, it sits in here and it stays there forever until you uninstall it. Well, sorry, delete it, not uninstall it. Delete this, not this folder. Delete what's in this folder. Do not ever delete this folder, but delete what's in it. So once you get finished here, you can go ahead and go back to view, go back and hide it. Just go back and just hide everything. And then just back on out. And that's it. That's how you make your computer faster and more secured and don't have the big guy spying on you all the time. If you like my video, you subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Have a great day.